Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to fix when you don't have the option of followers. You can't see, or of the people can see the list of your followers, how many followers you got. So if you want to fix that, maybe you got deactivated an option in the settings and privacy of the list of your followers. So today I will show you how you can activate that option, and that's it. We start. So the first step is go to TikTok, and after that you need to go to the option of your profile. Here in your profile you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines, and you need to pick here, and you got this panel. In this panel you need to pick in the option of settings and privacy. After that you need to pick in the second option of the page and the settings and privacy where set privacy. So after that you need to find here, you need to search the option of following list. You pick here, and I got the option activated, the option in everyone, but you maybe got the option in only you, where said if you select only you, other users will only see mutual friends. So you need to activate the option of everyone to all the people can see your list of followers. So after you put here in everyone, when you activated this option, you restart the app, and that's it. You complete the process. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.